exploring in Hina State Park, Narrow Fields. Rainy. Look at the signs. I'll show you. You are here. In the wind. Okay. Can you help?
Just changed that.
We're almost there. What's wrong?
You're teasing.
What do you think Mommy's teasing about?
Daddy, he's not coming.
Hold on to your hat. Want to take Nash's hat off? We're back into this osprey focus off. Best feeling in the world is baby wearing while hiking. So beautiful. Nicest way to end a hard hike. You did it all.
Going to water.
They get pretty rough now. Best reward for hiking. What color should we do?